shoot him.
Shoot
It's
him
so
while he's
hard
down.
to aim. It's
Wait.
so hard to aim. Why are you? Oh, he took it. He took it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm alone now. Huh? Hands up. Oh my. Okay, this guy seems kind of tanky. No. I'm tanky. Where the hell are you? I can't see you on my screen anymore. Why are you jumping from the sky?
The rockets.
It's round. Is that how it is? No! I lost my weapon.
I'm falling! Axel! I fell off the table!
Okay, this isn't good. This isn't good. No. What's happening? What's happening?
I fell off the table.
No, you dumbass! What am I gonna do? Oh my god, dude. This weapon's so ass, the one I have now.
I accidentally dropped my claymore.
Same, I dropped it.
No! Axel!
Don't tell me you...
Axel!
No, don't tell me. I can't see you. How do I... I'm fighting this man alone here, sir.
Get up! Yes! No! I was so close!
I'm holding him down, dude.
No!
I'm just gonna sumo wrestle this guy.
Axel, I fell off the table. It's all you.
It's okay. I'm doing fine.
Ouch! I don't have a weapon. No! I fell off the table!
Why are you falling off?
It's because my guy has so much speed and acceleration. No, I'm falling!
Come on! Mr. Bilbo Maggins, come on! Use your laser!
He blew me off!